Communication is key, whether you're running a retail store, managing an event, or keeping a school safe. That's where the Motorola Solutions Mag One BPR50dX comes in. It's a two-way radio designed to keep your team connected and in control. Today, we are going to see what comes in the box when you get a new BPR50dX. Hi everyone, I'm Holly Smith, Order Management Specialist with Wireless Solutions. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed two-way radio for your team, you'll love the Mag One BPR50dX. Designed for industries like retail, event management, and schools, it offers clear communication, long battery life, and a durable design. Let's get started unboxing the BPR50dX to show you everything that comes in the box. First up, we've got a quick reference guide with info about the radio. You can also get more information about the radio from the QR code inside the box. Next up, we have the BPR50dX Radio. It is built tough and loaded with features like 3 watts of audio output and noise cancellation to keep communication clear no matter what. We also have the antenna Next up, there's the battery. With up to 23 hours of talk time in digital mode, this ensures you stay connected during those long work days. Plus, you get a charger base and power supply for easy recharging along with a USB-C cable. Finally, there's a belt clip to keep your radio secure and within reach while moving around. And that's everything you'll find in the box. If you want to learn more, reach out to us at Wireless Solutions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product updates and tips.